Hey guys, I'm going to open up my FabFitFun box. Let's get into it. So this is the Spring 2018 FabFitFun box. It says, in support of girls rising. It's a pretty cool box this month, honestly. Very different from the other just like kind of basic floral patterns that you get. Okay, so as usual, you get a little newsletter with all the items in it. And let's open this up. Ooh. Alright, I gotta put this down. The first thing on top of the box are these. This is a pair of Etica Los Angeles earrings. It says, soak up the laid back vibes of LA, all while staying on top of the latest trends. I'm gonna open these up so we can see how much everything's worth. Oh my god. These are worth $58. They're maybe a little bit squished from packing, but it looks like they have nice detail. It says it's 18K gold plated and nickel free. Now, I know nothing about jewelry, so you guys will have to tell me if that's good. And they clash with the lipstick a little. I don't know, they really need to puff up there. I'm sure that just comes with time. Well, that's what they look like. They're super big, super not my style at all. And it looks like I could have picked from a black pair. So I'm not too sure why I went with pink. I wear a lot of black. But, yeah, they're cute. And I can see myself wearing them. Personally, I would not spend $60 on this particular pair of earrings, though. 60 American dollars. Alright, let's see what's next. Here we have the Ish Lip Statement Palette. Palais Lèvres Evocateur d'Ish. And it says, with these nudes and pops of colors, your lips will create a statement. 11 colors, blah blah blah. Paraben-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free. The palette's made in China, but the brand Ish is based out of California. And, yeah. It looks like it was distributed by FabFitFun, so I don't know if this is a specific release or what, but here is the colors. It's a really pretty palette. Personally, I'm not huge on lip palettes. It comes with a brush as well, so I'll play around with that and give it a go. I don't think I've ever reviewed any Ish products. But I've also never seen Ish products outside of FabFitFun, so I always kind of side-eye those beauty box brands that you never see like outside of beauty boxes. Look at all the fingerprints already. This palette has a value of $42. Came really well packaged. I like the packaging. Next is an item from Rachael Polly. Oh, it's beautiful. It's just a bag, a fold-over bag. Kind of a lifestyle item. With like an ivory cream side to it, so we can fold it this way so the pattern sticks out. Really pretty. I personally am not one for bags that don't have a strap on it, but I could probably use this for something. Oh, it's a cute idea. I like it. I'm going to have to find a purpose for it. This is a $60 value. You could also have gotten a pink one with green or kind of a red and orange one. Alright, what's next? Next we have a Free People understated leather sleeping mask. This is $40 value. $40 for vegan leather. Oh man, this is heavy. Oh, it's got one of those cooling inserts in it. Doug is gonna love this. So I mess up my hair. Oh my god. Set up for a tiny head. I'm not gonna put it on because I don't want to mess up my makeup. But you get the idea. You like pull it on over your eyes, and then inside is the gel mask. Doug really likes these cooling type of masks, so it's a cool idea. It feels nice. I love the color and the details on it. Wouldn't pay $40 for it, but yeah, it's cute. I found this inside of it. Looks like a couple of laundry balls on a stick. But this is the Physique 57 massage roller. So you're supposed to roll it on your body. Oh god, that feels good already. 5 to 10 minutes, $20. That's a good price, I would say. And yeah, you just use it to massage yourself. Or I guess you give it to your boyfriend and he will massage you. I actually sometimes take a tennis ball and stick it under my hip because sometimes my hip gets really sore. So I wonder if I can just like lay on this and roll about on it, or if that would be too painful with the pokies. But that's cool, and I think we'll definitely get a lot of use out of it, and it's a great price. This is the Skin Perfecting Lotion from Murad. It's a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. It's $40. What? I've actually used some Murad stuff before. I think I've only ever bought it at like Christmas or in gift sets, so I've never paid like full price for anything. Well, that seems kind of expensive. What? Oh, okay. It says massage evenly over face, neck, and chest, and then follow with a sunscreen during the day. I read it and I thought it said massage evenly over neck and chest. I didn't realize it said face. But it just says it provides a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer, which provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin, which is exactly up my alley. So I'm super excited to get this. I actually just ran out of my face moisturizer. I was using something from La Roche-Posay, but I just ran out. I don't think I have it on my table here to show you. So yeah, super excited to try this one. And I have really loved some of the other Murad moisturizers I've used in the past. Just not enough to pay the exorbitant price tag. Here is a little thing. What is this? It says KNC Beauty. Oh, and they're lip masks. There's 5 lip masks in here. Yeah, and they just say KNWC Beauty. They condition, moisturate, plump, and hydrate. All natural, no parabens, no sulfates, no artificial dyes or fragrances, no animal testing. Just apply it to clean lips 15 to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 times a week. And the ingredients look pretty good. It's got water, collagen, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, cherry extract, rose flower oil, vitamin C, vitamin E. Again, KNC Beauty is based out of the USA, and these are made in China. And I really love that they give you a little case for it, a reusable plastic case. This little case I can definitely find a use for. But anyway, these are $24.99. So a little pricey for masks, but I don't think it's like out of that world crazy. There is Derelict, Cosmeceutical Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. This is for your nails, and it says it's a professional liqueur formula with keratin peptide and pentavitin moisture magnets. It is a 12 ml bottle that is supposed to conceal your nail imperfections, fill in ridges, strengthen weak, brittle, or hard to grow nails, and then treat acrylic or gel damaged nails. And it's just a bottle of like skin tone nail polish. I'm not too sure if I will end up using this. It costs $18, but maybe my mom would be interested in trying this out. I know she's always complaining about her nail ridges. Do you still worry about that, Mom? I don't know. But maybe. And last item in the bag is this. It smells like a candle. Ooh, it's a gorgeous holder. This says Anderson Lily Super Bloom. And the thing is very off-center, the wick. But it says this candle is $45. And it has basil, tangerine leaf, anise, violet, geranium, lily of the valley, jasmine, rose, rosewood, and cashmere musk. Number 14, Super Bloom. Smells really great. Again, I would not pay $45 for this. I definitely would not pay $45 for this. Look at the wig. Like, what is going on? Seems to be melting under my lights. But that is pretty shoddy craftsmanship. If I cared more, I might complain. But honestly, it's not that big of a deal, assuming that it burns properly. And the cup is very nice. I could probably use that for makeup brushes or something after it's all used up. So that is everything in my box. I will say it seems like a lot of overpriced items this month. The total box value this month was $347 or $350 depending on your selection. So overall I got, is that everything? Not as much skincare, a lot of like textile type products. So sleepy mask bag, lip masks, skincare, cosmetics, nail care, and a candle. Oh, plus these earrings. So, I mean, there was a lot of stuff. Kind of mixed emotions this box, actually. I'm not too sure what I feel overall. Maybe I'm just like realizing that I'm pretty much over FabFitFun at this point. So, it's been almost 2 years now. Next season will be my last box of FabFitFun. And then I will probably move on to something else because, I don't know, we're starting to see some repeat brands. Definitely have gotten some Free People leather, I believe. And gotten some Lily Anderson before. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this box so far. I will also add that I did add on a couple products as well. I added on this Crown Brush Makeup Brush Cleaner, which basically looks like the ingredients are water and alcohol mostly. But it was only $5, so I thought I would try it out. And I also got this gorgeous set from Pure Cosmetics. Not Pure Cosmetics, but Pure Cosmetics. And this is the Recharge and Renew Magnetic Mask. So I'm definitely going to get Douglas, and we'll definitely do a face mask Friday on that very soon. I'm just going to quickly go over everything that I got from my last month's FabFitFun box. But if you want to watch me opening up those products, check the card up here and I will have linked to that video. So we got a poncho, do you guys remember? And I did enjoy using the poncho. I used it a lot over the winter and the springtime. And then, yeah, I liked it. It's just like a cozy thing to wear. Thumbs up for that guy. We had some Ahava mineral hand cream with the Dead Sea water. As much as I hate a hand cream, I like that it's a big giant tube, which will probably last me the rest of my life. So if I had to have any tube, that tube's like a good tube to have. The homemade Aisha curry mug, which I've been using on my desk to store my used makeup brushes. So putting that guy to use. It's way too big to actually like put coffee or tea in because I am a baby and I like my hot drinks really hot. So if it's too big of a cup, it cools down too fast. The Point Studio infused cozy socks were really good. They are overpriced though, I will say that, because they're just cozy socks that you can get like at the dollar store. The Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Again, I really like that. Wouldn't pay full price, but it was a really great item to use. We had a This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, which I actually really enjoy. Just keep it on my nightstand and I do spray it over our pillows before we go to sleep. It's a nice lavender scent and it hasn't irritated my skin at all. We had the Dose Frumatic Eyeshadow Pro Palette, which I ended up deep panning and putting in another palette, and I haven't really touched it. The couple times I did use it, I really enjoyed using it, but the colors aren't significant enough to like push them to the top of the queue for me to use regularly. So they're just kind of in limbo right now. And we had some Grace and Stila Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Masks, which I actually forgot to try out. So I'm going to have to pull those out of my face mask stash and give them a go. Anyway guys, that is it for this quarter's FabFitFun box. Hope you enjoyed unboxing it and re-reviewing our items from the last box that I got. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up or subscribe down below so you can see more videos like this from me in the future. Huge thank you to my Patreons for helping to bring these videos to you guys. If you'd like to help my channel, maybe consider becoming a Patreon or just share this video with anybody else who might find it helpful. Aside from that, you guys, I will see you all in Friday, the beauty video. Bye!